got that dope.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying those butterfly locks. I'm over my own locks. Those butterfly locks. Yeah, I think called butterfly locks, right?
Y'all know I was wrong coming on camera looking like this.
I'm going to be trying those butterflies over my locks. I don't know if this is going to be a fail or it's going to go good, but we're going to see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and actually, I'm going to try one in the front first before I start doing everything. I already curled the hair on these wooden sticks. Kind of drying. Actually, kind of already dry. But yeah, I just go ahead and curl them on the wooden stick because they wasn't that curly. Oh, this one got dragged up. That's okay. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright, so let me zoom in. Focus. Go up a little bit. Thank you. So I'm gonna start in the front right here. So let me just go ahead and part. And it's kind of hard parting when you have locks, because you know it's hard. So let's click. Ouch. Click. Oh, that hurt. Heck no, we ain't doing that. We're gonna use this. Okay, so click this up, and then I'm gonna take some shining gem. Take that. I'm gonna just put it on the perimeter of it so I can be slick looking. And also, it's best to do this on grown out locks, because you know when your locks grow out, your actual hair that isn't locked is at the beginning. So when you do the butterfly locks, it won't even look like you got locks. You know? I'm gonna take my edge brush and smooth it out. And if you, I'm gonna turn over here because there's a mirror in here, because I need to see what's going on. And I'm gonna also rubber band it so I can get even more grip. You don't want to make it too tight, because you also have to crochet the hair side of it. Okay, so this is the first. See, you see how you don't see any locks at the root. So yeah, you want to do it on grown out hair. What it look like when I took it off. Ooh, this color really pretty right here. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is just fluff it out a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my crochet needle. Get my crochet needle. You can get this from your local beauty supply store, or you can get it from Walmart actually. So now I'm gonna crochet the hair inside of this. Stick it through there and make sure the needle is open like that. Then I'm gonna get the hair, put it around my finger like this, and then just hook the hair on. And then close it, pull that thing through. And you just want to pull one side through. There you go. And then you can tighten this. There you go. Ooh. And there you go. Now, this is the part that I don't know if it's gonna work or not. But we're gonna find out. So I believe, okay, let me make sure this is even. So I believe when you okay, first let's wrap it around. Hold on. Don't want to do with this. You know, I got, okay, so got your hair. You want to wrap it around the root. And then now you want to, like, I forgot what they did. They put your thumb right here and they kind of wrap it around your thumb. And now give it that butterfly look. Hold on. Did I do it? I don't know if I'm doing this right. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Let me stand up so you can see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut. No, actually, I think they go all the way up, don't they? They go up like this. And then the bottom like this. Hold on. Did I do it? Did I do it? I don't know if I did it or not. Does that look like a... Man, I don't freaking know. Did I do it or what? I don't know if I did it or not, but I'm gonna just keep going and see how it's gonna turn out. I'll get back to y'all when some of it, I did some of it. Hey y'all, hold on. So I'm back. I did some, I don't know if they cute. Are they cute? I don't know. So I'm gonna just keep going. I'm gonna come back when it's halfway done, I guess. So my camera died. I'm almost done. That's all I got. Stuff at the top. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do the rest. And then when I get down to one of them, I'm gonna show you how I do it. So yeah. So I'm done and it's so cute. So all I did was put some of this on top so it can like lay flat a little bit. And then blow dried it, and then yeah. This is the final results. I don't know what the back look like, so don't be, you know, doing all that in comments now. I don't know what the back look like, okay? I don't know what the back look like. So don't be doing all that in the comments now. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Bye, love y'all.